Hello, nice to meet you. My name's Zara.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba, very nice to meet
Yes.
you. Where are you from?
I am from India,
From India. Which part of India?
Jammu and Kashmir.
I know Kashmir, but I don't know the other one. Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
Where are you
India.
from?
Oh. I'm from England, from the UK.
England. Wow,
England.
nice place.
Yes. Yeah. It's a nice country. A little bit cold. A little bit too cold.
Today, you will ask me small question, and I will try to give answer your questions.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. Let me
And
think.
uh,
Sorry.
you
Go
ask
ahead.
me about myself. Okay.
Okay, let me think of some questions. So, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Um, I am 17 years.
17.
Yes.
Wow, 17. They're
How
very
old are
young.
you?
I'm 23.
23. Wow, nice.
23. Yeah, I'm getting old now. I feel it. I feel myself getting old. Um, okay, are you in school at the moment? Are you studying?
Sorry?
Are you studying in school?
Yes, I am studying in 11th class.
Okay, so year
Yes.
11.
Yes.
What's your favorite subject?
Uh, my favorite subject is English and Urdu.
English and Urdu. It's one of the
Yes.
languages in India.
Hindi and Urdu.
Hindi and Urdu, yeah. And
Yes.
I want to say Punjabi as well sometimes.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
Punjabi. You
yes.
know.
Yes, I know. I used to work for a company that we translated different languages, and I remember Urdu, Punjabi, and Hindi were the main ones. So
Okay.
I know a little bit. So your favorite subjects are languages, English and Urdu.
Yes. Just I am practicing in English.
Mhm. That's great. You already know a lot of English already, though, because you learn it in school and you're on Cambly, so that's great.
Yes.
Uh, I was going to ask you, learning English, do you want to travel to the UK or the United States, Australia?
Sorry?
Since you know English, would you like to travel to England or America?
I travel.
Uh-huh. Would you like to travel?
Oh. Mm, America.
America.
Yes.
Um, America's, I've never been. You'll have to let me know how it is.
You are in London.
No, I'm from England, but
Okay, okay. England.
I
Yes,
live in
yes.
Peru. Yes, I live in Peru,
Okay.
Peru,
Uh,
South America.
what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, that's a good question. I wish I'd have thought of that. Um, in my free time, I like languages too, so I learn Spanish,
Okay.
and I have two guitars in my room, so I play guitar a lot as well.
Okay. You are so beautiful.
Oh, you're so beautiful as well. I don't see many other women on here. I mainly get male students, so it's refreshing. It's nice to speak to another another one. It's nice. So
Okay.
what do you do in your free time too?
Uh, I like painting.
Painting.
Yes, I did. I read books as well, and
Hmm.
I I really like that enjoy as well.
Oh wow! It's paint. Do you do art in school?
Yes. Uh,
In school as well.
yes, yes. Sorry?
Oh wow. I wish I could paint.
Uh,
It's such a great skill to have, to be able to paint. Do you like to draw as well?
I draw nature.
Nature. Oh, so like
Yes.
landscapes.
Yes, trees, mountains,
Hmm.
rivers, everything.
Oh wow. Maybe
Yes.
if we speak another time, you can show me. You can show
Yes.
me your work. I would
Okay.
love that.
What time is it there?
In Peru, it is 1 p.m.
Oh, 1 p.m.
Yes.
It's here
In
11 o'clock p.m.
11 p.m.
Yes.
That is very late. What a difference. Wow, 10 hours. That's a long
Yes.
time. Long time.
So you live with your family? Do you live with your family?
No, no, my family is in England. I live with three of my friends.
Okay.
And yes, I
What's
miss
your
them a lot.
okay. What's your profession?
Teacher, so I do Cambly and I teach at a school. Teach
Oh,
a lot of
school.
kids. Mhm. Yes,
Okay.
I love it. It's always teaching English, always.
So, what's your favorite color?
Try and guess it.
Okay.
Try and get it's blue. I love blue.
Blue. Okay,
What's your
nice.
favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. Very
Yes.
good colors. We have the contrast, blue and pink. Do you like coffee? I'm constantly drinking coffee. Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Tea.
Tea.
Yes.
Uh, do you like just the brown tea, or do you like green tea, chamomile,
Brown tea.
brown tea? It's the best.
Yes. Yes.
Hmm. It is the best. And so you're in school. What do you want to be when you graduate and finish school? What do you want to do?
Just I am in 11th class. I'm
Hmm.
studying in 11th class. So after uh, I will go to college after 1 year.
Hmm.
Yes. So
So one more year. Hmm.
yes.
And what do you want to do for a job? What do you want to study in college?
Actually, um, I my aim in life to become scholar,
To become a
Islamic
scholar.
scholar, Islamic
Mm.
scholar. Yes,
Wow. And do you want to do something with languages, or do you want to do something with your painting, with your art?
languages.
Languages.
Yes,
Me too.
yes.
It's the best
So,
thing.
um, how much your brother and sisters?
I have one brother. He's a little bit older than me.
Okay,
An older brother.
you're younger.
Yes, it feels so nice to
Sisters?
be the youngest. No, I have no sisters. I wish. I wish I had a sister.
Oh,
Do you have any siblings? Brothers
yes.
and
I have two elder brothers
sisters?
and one elder sister. She's married.
So you're the youngest sibling.
Yes, yes, I'm
It
youngest.
feels great. It's great to be the youngest sibling. So
Yeah,
you have two brothers and one older sister. Wow. And
one
so you're
older
the
sister.
only one that's still in school with your parents.
Sorry?
You're still obviously with your parents, but your siblings, they have their own families.
Families.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes, they have their own families. Well, Sahiba, we only have a few seconds left, but it was so nice
Yes.
to meet you. You're so
Nice to
lovely.
meet you.
Nice to meet you. Take care. I hope we can speak soon.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. I'll see you.